Hey guys, welcome back. So far we have learned how to connect these two screens and how we can pass parameter to the screen also. Now one thing is remaining here. If you want to create a small splash screen, mean the screen that come first and then open your main screen. So this is my main screen. So before opening this screen, I want to open a splash screen for little 2 second or 2 3 second 4 second just to give the illusion of a professional application. So how I can do that? For that I have to go to the main here, remember, and I need a visit, stateless visit I can create for that, and that visit I will replace here on this home page. Remember, here I will replace that because I want that should be my first screen, and then after that I want to open this my home page. So this home page having a title, remember, and this having what this one safe area, scaffold, app bar, everything we have. So how I can do that I tell you. For that I can create file here also, class here also, plus class, or I can have a separate file, whatever you prefer. So I can create separate class, and here I create a class. I say dot file, I say splash dot okay, and here I say stls, stateless, because I don't want a stateful here, and class name is splash, same. And we need to import the library also of this, that is material library. So I copy this from here, this one material, this one package material, just copy and paste here. Now in place of this return, what I want to return, I want to return first of all center. Okay, child is there. Here I say text, and here I say Dr. Vipin classes, and here also I say style, text style, and here I say font size is 30. I say font weight dot, like this I can pass the font, and background if I want to give, I can say not having the background. Here I need background center, and under this child we have text, and I want expanded also. Under the expanded center we have, and this text wizard I have here. Place of this, what I can do here, I say I'll enter, and visit is there. Container I can take here, and under the container what I take, so this is into the center like this, and remove this. So this is all about the first screen, remember. Now this screen I want to set here, so I just make a copy of this, and here I say splash screen. Okay, done. Now this is splash screen I want to use here, so I make this remove here. Here I say splash like this. Okay, now once again I try this, and you see Dr. Vipin classes is coming, and the problem is because I don't have scaffold and this app bar kind of thing. So I copy this text also, this one theme one, and this center also. So for that what I do, in place of this center I cut first it from here, then I say safe area, and here I say scaffold, then here I say app bar like this. Here I say title, and title I can give anything. I say Vipin classes. Okay, and I can give background color also, that would be from the context theme, this theme of or theme I want to give here, and this is string visit is required, so here I say text, this I required here. Okay, done, and here I required body. Now I pass this as a center. This is removed. My center is also gone, so I put here a center. Under this I say child, and here I say text. Okay, and here I say Dr. Vipin classes, and here I want style, text style, and font weight is font weight dot 700, and I say font size is 30. Save this and reload, restart once again. Okay, we have a problem, scaffold, this one. Okay, save this, and once again you say it is coming Dr. Vipin classes into the set, and this is done. This screen should close automatically, and we should have my main screen, this screen my home page. I should have this home page. I want to open on this after certain time. So what I do here, so you will come here in this, and after certain time I want to send to some other. So for that, this is there. So in this class we have a build method here. We're returning this, and here I can pass the way how I can pass to this particular class. But remember that we have this main class here. Okay, so I need to cut this class from here. It's better to cut this from here and put this here, or otherwise I can put in the other class other file also. So I create another dot file, and here I say home page route. Okay, dot home page screen, you can say home screen. Okay, dot, and here just I paste this, no problem at all. And material I required, so I can copy this. Okay, and I put here, so I copy this and put here for importing a packages. Remember, now separate class is there, and here we have a screen 2. So screen 2 we have, so from the main, this is screen 2 I need to cut, because remember that these are the changes that you have to make yourself, because now separate file we have. So this is done, and this file we have to import here in flash screen. So I say import package, and here I say Flutter, and not a Flutter, we have a demo, and we have a screen 2. Okay, and this is semicolon, not a screen 2. I need home screen. Home screen. Okay, so this home screen I want to use here. So we have a two option here. First is future. I say future dot delay, and here I have a duration. So I say duration in the second. I say 3 seconds I want, and then I have a function. This is my anonymous function that I required, and I just close this. Here I can pass the same class, that is navigator. I say navigators dot push, and I say push replacement. Remember that, push replacement. Why replacement? Because this app I don't want to go back to this screen. So here I want to push back, and here I say material route page builder we have. Here in builder I want again the function, this one, and I need semicolon also, and here I say return, I think, and return would be which screen? We have a home screen, so I say my home page, remember, and this home page cannot be assigned to the type widget builder, so I replace this. Okay, so I come here, this is the super dot key, and this is required field. So first of all I pass here the value. I say Vipin classes title I want to pass from here, and I say return. Okay, so here I need to pass context also. That is a problem. Context I need to pass here. So this is the context, and now you see that after 3 seconds this will fire and it will execute this main home page screen. So once again I restart this, and you will see that if everything is okay, then this screen will come first, and automatically we have the flash screen. You see, now click here, and the second screen is there. Go back, but we don't have a option to go back on the splash screen. Why? Because you cannot go there. Once again I try to restart this, and you will see that first Dr. Vipin will come here in the center, and you see Dr. Vipin classes is coming, and automatically after 3 seconds now this is coming, and your application is ready with splash screen. And if you don't know future dot delay, because maybe that you don't aware with this, this is a part of Dart programming language. I have a full playlist of Dart. I have explained in detail also. I have Udemy courses also, those are having a international certificate if you complete that, so where you can understand this. One more thing we have, if you don't want to use this, we have a timer class also. I say timer, and here also we have a duration first, and I pass second 3, and second is the function like this. We have like this, and this is the you can say import package library, this one, and just you need to copy this code and put here, and you can make this comment. No need of this now. Okay, you can use timer also, you can use future delay also, but this is best approach because it's a clean code, and this is the class which using the same feature inside this. So concept is same. Okay, nothing is different. We have a separate class that is using future inbuilt, and we are using a future also here. So that is direct way. So like this way, I run it once again, and you see splash screen is coming, and after 3 seconds we have the home screen. So same you can achieve by this also, timer also same you can achieve by, but future dot delay is the more accurate and the professional way to do this, okay, because it's having a core concept of Dart programming language is called future. Okay, so that's all here in this video. I think you understand how to create your own small splash screen. If you don't want this, we have a separate library also in Flutter, splash screen library, so you can import or install that library also and do the configuration that is required. So you may have a professional library to create your splash screen. Otherwise, you see, we have this automatically. The Flutter, you can create your own splash screen like this. Okay, so that's all here in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.